At Countertop Solutions, we have one goal: to make you happy.
Our mission is to provide countertops for good people exactly the way they want them. We know every project has unique challenges, and our expert staff will guide you through the process to understand your needs. Our laser measuring system provides the precise dimensions of your kitchen, and our proven process will capture every detail to ensure your project runs smoothly.
In our state-of-the-art facility in Martinsburg, we've invested in the latest laser and cutting technology to ensure your countertop is an exact fit. All of our stone is of the highest quality and hand polished by skilled craftsmen to ensure the most luxurious feel.
During your install, we'll treat your kitchen like our own and take every precaution to protect your investment. Our team understands your kitchen is the heart of your home, and we'll go the extra mile to make sure your countertops are installed exactly the way you want them. We partner with you, and together we'll make your dream kitchen a reality.
We strive for no surprises. No surprises equals a happy customer. Come see us at Countertop Solutions. We look forward to working with you.